Hello, Velvet.
Yes.
I need your help.
Welcome, Loyalty Squad. This is the Velvet Box coming back to you with another video. Now, this video, I wanted to show you some wonderful items that you guys have been sleeping on. Alright, and these items can be found in my eBay store. These are awesome items that you need to really check out, because this is what's going to help to cleanse and detox your body from all sorts of ailments. It's also going to get that waste out of your body. All right, the extra embedded waste in our colon, in our intestines. This is also wonderful for getting that out of you, as well as blessing different body parts. Okay, we're talking about your kidneys, your liver, your heart, your thyroid. All right, now this one is a soursop and turmeric. These are living bitters tonics. Okay, these are 100% organic. Satisfaction guarantee. You will be going to the bathroom. All right, this one is also a 5-in-1. It has angelica root, nutmeg, and myrrh extracts. This is great to also improve your respiratory health. It prevents heart and nerve disease, and it helps to control bowel movements. Control regular bowel movements. So if you haven't had, you're having issues going to the bathroom, you're constipated, you need to start taking these bitters. Now, this is 100% natural, this is 100% organic, and it's 100% satisfaction guaranteed, which means this is going to help to get rid of everything out of your body. You're going to be going. This removes waste from your body. All right, so this is the soursop, full of powerful herbs and spices to help and heal our body, get rid of all of that extra gook in the foods that we eat. Moving right along is the popular, the one that you guys have been buying like crazy, the one that I've been using all the time, and it really and truly works. It gets rid of that waste. It helps you to go. It strengthens your body. This is great for weight loss, and it's an energetic tonic, so it's going to boost you up. This is the Moringa Detox. Now, this is the new one. The one that I had before, the one that you see in the shelves in the stores, that's the old one. This is the 5-in-1, which means it has 5 wonderful root extracts on top of the other wonderful blessings inside of this bottle. Now, this one is the Miraculous Detox. It has lemongrass, garlic, fenugreek, juniper berry extracts, and each of these tonics cleanse a different part of your body that you may be going through some issues with. All right, your pancreas or oda, your heart, your spleen, your stomach, your small and your large intestines. Each of these cleanse all of those different parts of your body. Your liver, your gallbladder, your kidney, your urethra, your bladder. I mean, wonderful benefits. Okay, so this one is the Moringa Detox Living Bitters, 5-in-1, natural, 100% organic, and it's backed up with 100% guarantee to work. It eliminates waste. This helps you to lose weight. This is the weight loss tonic. Okay, the next one I want to show you, you've been sleeping on. It's the activated charcoal senna leaf living bitters. Now, this one is also a 5-in-1. It's made with oregano, yarrow, dandelion extracts. This is considered the botanical tonic. It gives you energy. It boosts your metabolism. Okay, it heals your gut, your body. It has senna leaf, which is found in a lot of your laxatives, because senna leaf is a laxative. So it has senna leaf in there and other awesome, wonderful herbal blessings. Now, the last one I want to show you is the Jamaican wood and neem living bitters. This one is also a 5-in-1. It has hibiscus, acacia, and cat claws extracts. Other wonderful things that I put on the channel, you guys, you're going to be going. it's going to be more beneficial because some of you have slow metabolism, have other things, maybe a bad leaky gut, and this is why you cannot lose weight. You're having things that's compromising your losing the weight. So this is what's going to help to get rid of and cleanse your body from those toxins, pollutants, the things that we breathe in, the foods that we've been eating, fast foods, the highly saturated foods. These things is what's hindering your weight loss journey. So when you comment under my videos and tell me, oh, I tried that and it didn't work for me, okay, 5 days in and still no weight loss, but then you want other people to jump on that bandwagon and co-sign with you, but you're the ones having the problem. And if they're having that same problem, maybe there's a problem that you guys haven't fixed yet in your own body, and that's the buildup of extra pollutants and toxins in your body that needs to be eliminated. And your body needs to also reset itself. It has to heal itself. When you have a bad gut, your kidneys is not processing and eliminating the things in your body, is not cleansing, so you can see weight loss. Even the meats that we eat from the animals, they're being pumped with a lot of steroids and medications. Remember, some of these animals get sick and they have to be treated with medications. Those medications, they're not made for us, they're made for those animals. So when we now buy these meats in the stores, we're also buying the things that came with it, the things that may have been pumped into these animals. Also, some of these meats are not real meats. They're processed meats, okay? They're cloned meats. So they're not healthy for you. And even our fruits and vegetables, some of them have been altered. The pesticides, okay? So you got to remember, what you eat is also in your body. It's affecting your body. It's affecting your body's production of being able to heal itself naturally by eating proper foods. Not everything is organic. All right, so if you're eating regular fruits and vegetables in the supermarket and you're thinking that you're eating healthy, you got to realize something. If you're not constantly cleansing your body, you could be doing your body a disservice. Just putting it like that, because a lot of times we think we're eating healthy foods, and we are. Fruits, vegetables, you know, lean meats, but it's how those things were processed and grown that really determines what we're eating, because it could be also polluting our body. So we should be cleaning our bodies every day, detoxing our bodies every day, because of the foods that we're eating, because of the air that we're breathing, and all the other extra pollutants in our waters, and so many different things. So these are wonderful aids that you should be putting into your body every day. You drink this in the morning. You drink 2 tablespoons of each of these in the morning. Now, I'm not saying take each of these, but check out each of these, all right? I will have a link down in the description box of this video, linking you to my eBay channel, where you would be able to get access and read a little bit more of each of these wonderful herbs. Plus, there's a new kid on the block, and it's an immune booster. I don't have the physical bottle here, but I have something that I'm going to show you that's going to also help to boost your immunity. It's also great for coughs, flu, mucus. For those of you who are having mucus, like me, myself, I have mucus that's built up in my body that needs to go. And it's from the dairy that we eat or drink. It's from the foods that we eat that is not alkaline. So these are the things that I'm bringing you to help you to get rid of all of those extra things that's polluting our bodies. So I'm going to bring that to you. I got another powerful tonic, but it's a blessing. I will be showing you that one in my next video, okay? So you guys, I just wanted to jump on here real quick and just have a little chit chat with you and just enlighten you again of the things that you are sleeping on in these wonderful eBay streets, okay? That's a health benefit to you in healing and aiding your body, eliminating and extracting waste from your body, okay? The foods that we're eating, things that we're eating, things that we're drinking, this is what's going to help to rejuvenate your body, energize your body, boost your body up, heal and aid your body, get rid of all those toxins, get rid of that excess waste, slim down your stomach, slim down your body, and heal it, all right? So y'all, Don't sleep on these things that I have down in the bottom of my eBay store. Don't sleep on them. They're healthy, they're organic, they're 100% satisfaction guaranteed. Each of them help you to get rid of the excess waste, which is promoting weight loss. That's what's going to help you to lose weight. And you take this in the mornings on an empty stomach, all right? Then you go in with your teas and your detoxes and all the other stuff that I, promote just as an extra boost to lose that weight, slim you down. Now, there's a few times that I see these comments flying around underneath my videos, and I take them with a grain of salt, because even though I've been on my weight loss journey prior, I've lost 50 pounds, I was a stick, I lost my muscle mass, I was able to fit into the smallest clothes, but I lost my womanly curves and I wasn't happy. So what I did was I boosted myself back up with protein. Now, protein is good for weight loss, but the way in which I used it was to boost my body back up and get back my womanly curves. I am not in the business right now of being a stick. I do need to go to the gym and get into, toning up my body, but I like my weight the way I am. All I need is some discipline. That's it. Discipline. Well, yeah, because I also gained a couple of pounds on this, quarantine stuff, which I'm working on now. But I like my body a certain weight, and I'm not happy with that stickly figure that I was years ago when I started my weight loss journey. All right, so please, you guys, in the comments, take it easy on your sis. All right, I tell you, I'm gonna show you some pictures where I really took myself down so much to the point where I was almost unrecognizable to friends and family. And also, when I was editing some of the videos, I myself saw that I really took myself down too far, where I kind of looked a little sickly. All right, and it wasn't a healthy look for me. So you really got to know your body size, your body weight that you're supposed to be according to your height. All right, your frame of your body. Not everybody is meant to be a thin figure. It's not. All right, so you just need to be healthy. Get your weight down to what your body size is supposed to be according to your height. All right, according to your height. Not everybody is set out to be a stick. And just because you are losing weight or on a weight loss journey, your main goal is not to lose too much weight where you're not looking healthy and you're not feeling your best. Now, I'm 5'3". I'm a short person. I don't know how I come across on camera, but I'm a shorty. All right, so for me to lose the weight that I did, it did not look well for my height as well as my age. I'm a woman. I'm not a little girl. So when you take your body down too much, you kind of look out of character. And although I have all the energy and everything at the time, I wasn't my healthiest. I wasn't my happiest at my weight. So you have to know your body. You have to know what it is that you want to do and how much weight you need to take off according to your height and according to your body frame and structure. Yeah. Okay. So I hope I helped some of you out when you talked about, oh, she has so many of these teas and detoxes, she should be a size 110. I ain't trying to be no daggone 110. Hells to the no. No, no, no. No, no, no. Been there, done that, was not happy with that. All right? I was attracting boys. I don't want that. I don't want that. All right? So you have to know your limitations. You gotta know your limitations. All right? So y'all, I hope you enjoyed this video. I know I'm a little comical. I know I've been a little long-winded as I usually am. But these are awesome tonics. Try them. Living bitters. They are definitely what their names say. They're very bitter. But get past that with a little shot of orange juice, apple juice afterwards, and you're good to go. Take these once a day in the mornings, 2 tablespoons, and you are starting your morning off good. You're not rushing with that emergency feeling of using the bathroom. but you are eliminating the waste, and I'm telling you, you are going to be eliminating lots of waste. Okay, you will be. All right, but these are awesome. They're beneficial to your body, they're healthy, and they help boost you up. So for those of you who are having problems with your energy levels, with metabolisms, with healing your gut, healing your liver, your kidney, your large intestines, your small intestines, this is where a lot of our feces, fecal matter, is sitting around and just chilling. It's in our intestines, it's in our gut, and these things help to clear that area and get rid of those things so that your liver can process and eliminate waste the right way and not store it in your body as fat. All right, so check out the links in the bottom of this description bar for my eBay store, where you will find these awesome, wonderful products that's going to help you in your weight loss journey. All right, and for those of you who are having extra issues in your body and cannot get the same results as some people who just drink a detox tea and they're losing the weight, you may need an extra boost. Look down at my eBay link for these awesome aids. They work. All right, so y'all, thank you for joining me on this wonderful video. Like, comment, subscribe, share these videos with your friends and family who are also on a weight loss journey, as well as check out my eBay store. I have wonderful herbs, wonderful tonics, popular flat and firm belly detox, that's down there too. These are things that's going to help you on your weight loss journey, y'all. All right, so check it out, and until the next video, don't forget your big sis and auntie loves you, and I will see you again in the next video. Welcome, family. This is the Beverages coming back to you again with a powerful announcement. Now, if some of you haven't visited my eBay store, you are definitely living under a rock, because you are missing out on this organic fit and flat belly detox and energizer tonic. This tonic has been flying off the shelves. I've had to restock my inventory several times. This is powerful. I've used it myself. I'm still currently using it, and like I said, it works. Okay, this tonic is going to help you to lose those inches. It's going to make you feel better. It's going to clean your blood, burn that body fat. It's going to flatten your tummy and remove that waste out of your body. This is also going to boost your metabolism. For those of you who are suffering from slow metabolism and cannot get that weight off, try this tonic. It's going to boost you up. This is going to detox and energize you, and it's also going to strengthen your colon because it's going to be squeaky clean. All right, check down below in this video description for the links to my personal eBay store, where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this powerful detox that specializes in removing waste out of your body and slimming you down. So if those of you who are really serious about your weight loss journey and need that extra boost, this is going to help you, along with all the other wonderful teas and detoxes and smoothies I've been showing you throughout the year. All right, so go ahead, shop, check your girl out. I'm telling you, it's been flying off the shelves. This is my 4th time restocking this item, and I got plenty for everybody. So like I said again, y'all, check down below in this video for my eBay link for my personal store, where you will get the 16-ounce bottle of this firm and flat belly, and it's all organic, natural, 100%. All right, so I will see you down below.